Hi and welcome to MIA Platform V10 Video Pills. In this video, we will show you how to set up the payment gateway, a powerful service used to enable multiple payment providers on your digital products, enabling single and recurring payments. Let's start. Go to the Design section and open MIA Platform Marketplace by clicking on the Microservices tab. Search the Payment Gateway Manager plugin and click on it. Here you can enter a name and description. Once ready, click Create. Now, you can set up the microservices configuration, such as memory and CPU resources, and static replicas. The part we are most interested in is the Environment Variables section, where we are going to declare which payment provider we want to implement on our products. For this example video we will use JustPay, but many other providers are supported, as you can see from our documentation. Let's populate the environmental variables fields. First, we enter true in the sandbox field and we put a callback address. Then, we fill the API key and the shop login with some example values. A final important thing is to go and define the API documentation path. This endpoint will allow us later to test the microservices on the API portal. Now, we can expose our service. Create a new endpoint that we call Pay. Select microservice type, and then Payment Gateway Manager. Let's save the project and deploy it. Always check the right branch before releasing it. Once we have released it, let's go check the Payment Gateway APIs. As you may notice, we have two types of endpoints. This one shows that you can make a single payment using this specific provider, while this one shows that you can make recurring payments. The input data required by single payment endpoints are the payment amount, which is a required field, the store transaction ID, which we need to retrieve the transaction and its status, and the provider we want to use. Regarding the recurrent payments endpoint, the input data are the installment amount, which is the value of each installment, the first installment field in which we specify if it is the first payment made, the previous payment ID, which return the previous transaction ID. Expires on field is where the end date of the recurring payment is to be indicated. Last but not least, the recurrence token, which identifies the set of all transactions linked to a single recurring payment. The Payment Gateway Manager is a flexible microservice designed to accelerate the integration of payment providers into your digital products. Find out more with MIA Platform V10, generally available on October 20th.